Hi, this is part of the Starving Student series or Cooking for One Person. First, you start out with, as I recommend, if you're going to only spend money on one cooking device or you don't have a hot plate in your dorm or whatever, it's best to have a rice pot, automatic rice pot. This is a 5-cupper. You want to go with a little larger than what you would normally use. Like a 3-cupper would work, but it's a little, in order to do these dishes, you want something a little larger. Gives you more room and more options. Okay. And the advantage is you cook rice or whatever it is you're cooking in larger quantities, and then you just pack up the extras and save it for later. It saves you time for cooking. You can just toss it in a microwave. Okay. So all rice pots, or most of them, come with a steaming tray, like so, where you can add items and cook your rice or whatever it is you're cooking, like a stew or something. And while it's cooking, it also heats up other items in here. It's especially good for reheating bread, which a microwave would turn it into a hard, crusty dough. Whereas if you steam it, it's nice and soft. Okay, so we start out with a steaming basket. We go ahead and make our rice or whatever it is that we're cooking, like soup or something like that, and we're warming it up, or we're putting it on cook or reheat, as in this case. And then you find a bowl that would fit in your steaming basket that has a lot of space. Okay. And it's about the right size for you for a single serving for yourself. Okay. Of course, if you're doing vegetables or something like that, you can always put in a second dish later to reheat that if you're not using a microwave. It's advisable to get a bowl that fits with a cover on top, like so. Okay. And also the lower, since this another rim allows you for another, you can also throw a second, if you have like an older rice pot that had, and it's the same model, you can add a second steamer on top of this, and you can do more dishes at the same time with the same amount of power. You save electricity that way too. Okay.